What is this? Cherry blossom 8. Let's try. Ice drinks early in the morning. Sour. You don't mix it. I love that the straw is a heart shape. Pretty influential. Cosa prende? Privat influencer.
맥주 좀 드시면서 맛있는 좀 드시면서 하고 계시네요. 안 팔아? 안 팔아요? 밖에도 안 팔아요? 페스티벌에 맥주가 없다고요? 그래도 되나? 맛있는 건 좀 파나요? 어떻게 혼자 오셨나요? 남자친구랑 오셨나요? 여자친구랑 오셨나요? 나랑 왔다고? 하빈 말고 습관이죠. 소중했던 누군가가 습관처럼 내 몸에 배어서 이제 내 습관이 뭔지 모르겠다. 왜냐면 너가 내 습관이기 때문에 그런 일입니다. 이제 커플 오신 분 있나요 혹시? 좋았습니다. 그러니까 소중한 옆에 사람이 이제 습관처럼 있다가 없어지는 그런 인생의 많은 부분에 대입할 수 있는 곡이라고 볼 수 있겠고요. 낙소리는 말 그대로 이제 안 미안하다. 미안하지 않아서 미안해. 근데 그조차도 사실 안 미안해. 뭐 이런 미심쩍은 그런 노래고요. 다음 곡이 준비되어 있는데요. 이게 마지막 곡인가?
Kamera sieht mega grün aus. Danke.
다 이용하니까 직원이 행복해지니
문자 100원 어플폰 KBS 플러스는 무료고요. 몽키라에 상을 보내주신 분들 중 추첨을 통해서 비비지랩에서 톡톡톡 예뻐진 톡스앰플 버전 보여드립니다. 광고 듣겠습니다.
건강을 생각하는 길에서 만났다.
사뿐인과 과학의 건강한 만남.
특허 공법으로 더 높아진 말리스.
Today is my last day in Seoul. I wanted to show you real quick what I bought again the last 2-3 days. The biggest shopping trip, which was Olympian. So let's start. I have these special pimple patches which have needles inside, which are supposed to help you heal your pimple faster. And I got these pimple patches, which were 1+1. I think these are one of the cheapest you can get in Olympian, and they have a total of 100 pimple patches inside, which is good. Then I bought my boyfriend a moisturizing cream because I cannot come empty-handed, right? Like, that would be a bit rude. Then I bought Ricola for a special reason. I also bought these modeling masks, which I was quite interested in. And I was like, it's 1+1, it's on sale, it's a good brand, so I'm gonna try it out. Let me show you the sunscreens which I bought. This one I already have and I really like it. 4 sunsticks, which is already a lot. This one I know I like, and these 2 are new and there are 2 inside as well. Which is good one. Anyway, I got this sunscreen. The Round Labs normal sunscreen is amazing. I love it. It's the best one I ever tried, and that's why I use it. Like, I save it a lot. Really great. I actually use this, like, I use the Korean sunscreens for my whole body. And by my whole body, I mean my neck and my arms, because that's all my body shows in summer, and my hands maybe. And I bought this one, which looked very promising. It also felt good. The price was okay for Olive Young. Olive Young is quite expensive in Korea. Then when we were at the Hyundai department store, in the lower floor there was like a shop with just cosmetics mostly. I bought 2 lip tints, which I really like. This is just my standard nude color that I wear everywhere, and this one is a little bit more rosy, but you can see this is how it looks like applied freshly. It gives like this matte, how do you say, blush feeling. And I don't really like lip gloss because, again, it's sticky. I don't like that on my lips. When my hair touch my lips when I have lip gloss on, that's the worst feeling. So I tend to buy only matte lipsticks, and this one, like, it looks really natural and it feels super soft. It's Cologram and BBIA. They're supposed to be both cruelty-free and vegan, which actually everything is that I bought because I checked. And I hope everything is actually cruelty-free and vegan. Cannot say 100% though. I don't know all the ingredients by heart. Look, there's like so many ingredients. Anyway, I bought these 2 masks. I'm not the biggest fan of sheet masks. That's why I only bought 2 because of the packaging. I'm such a victim for packaging. It's not good. Then we went in Daiso and I bought a lot of stickers and Mentos and also 2 more things, which is like those hooks. They were so cheap. They were 1,000 won for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hooks. I also bought like this marker pen. Then in Daiso I also bought stickers. Those 4 pieces, and each of them have at least 3 sheets inside. Like this one has 3 and these one have 4. And I definitely wanted to go get like Korea stickers. I didn't get in I didn't go to a souvenir shop yet, because usually they also have stamps and stickers and postcards and stuff like that. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't go. Then yesterday I went to the Starfield Coex Mall, which is kind of boring. I don't know if I was just in a bad mood or so, but the library didn't seem so crazy to me. Like, it looks much better on photos and videos, but I gotta say, when it got dark it looked much better because there was low lights and it looked quite romantic, and it was also more quiet. And in the shopping mall there was a bookstore, and I bought stickers because they were so cute. Like, do you see this? It's like mini stickers. I'm gonna put them into my calendar and my travel notebook, and these ones I can always give to friends that have birthday. 2 of my friends have birthday soon. My other friend has the same birthday as me that is sitting right behind me. And I met like a monbebe on the concert, and she also had a birthday last week. Yay. And also me and my friends, we did some photo books. Maybe today we're gonna do a 3rd one with my other friend as well. They're like for each one they're like 2,000 won, and I think it's such a cute memory. Such a cute memory. Hello, it's been 2 days since I arrived. Today is Friday. I arrived on Wednesday. And I wanted to show you real quick the last shopping trip. And first of all, I went to the Osolok tea house and I bought matcha, and the matcha, it's quite good. It's Jeju matcha, and I know that Jeju has matcha, and I was really interested. It has a really funny opening, but I kind of prefer to open it like this. And the color is not super bright green, but it's still a really good green color. Anyway, I already tried it. It's really good. It has a earthy flavor, and it's 40 grams, so it's a really big packaging for 40 grams, because usually 40 grams is like this much. Anyways, then I also got chamomile blend tea bags, which I bought 10 of those, and then 2 of their signature loose tea. One is Camellia forest tea and the other one is moonwalk tea. Then for the perfumes that I did on the second day, these are the perfume flasks. I made 2. This one's just pear flavor because I really was so obsessed with the flavor on the class making, so I decided to just have one with pear, and then this one is more floral. Also, next to the Asheville bakery in the Bukchon Hanok village, there was this store called 0 per 0, I think. Yeah, it should be the store's name. This is... And then I bought stickers of Seoul and a birthday card, since my friend's birthday is today, and I'm gonna gift it to her next time I see it. And these cute Seoul stickers, and look how cute the packaging was. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the vlog, and see you next time.